Slime. Now, I don't know how this thing got so popular, but I guess we're going to be making it because it's the Easter holidays. So, you're going to be needing half a cup of water, half a cup of PVA glue, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and some PVA glue. And some eye wash solution, which includes the two main things you need, which is boric acid, not about borax, that's a bit too bizarre, and the thingy-majingy chemical. What was the glue? We're going to pour it into it. And time for the glue. Oh, that looks nice. If you could eat glue, but no. Oh, yeah. Oh, let's just get a spoon. On YouTube, this looks like a cooking video. Instead of flour, using a spoon to do flour, it's PVA glue for slime. I think let's mix it now. Mix. So I've never seen people make slime. I've seen slime before though. I thought because the spoon wasn't mixing the thing, which was pretty annoying. Spent a minute of my life. Okay, next, I think this is mixed enough. Now next we're going to have to put in a drop of food colouring and a spoon of bicarbonate soda. Let's just open it. One small drop, guys. I'm trying to. I had to cut the thing off. Now let's do this. Done. Put it back on the lid. I'm not sure if that's too much. I'm not an expert. Good, otherwise I would have leaked into the floor. Now let's put the food colouring away. Don't want anything else to do with that. Thank you. Okay, mix it. You see, it's getting a bit green. Yeah. A little drop can do lots of things. And now we're going to add in bicarbonate of soda. Hopefully nothing goes wrong. Okay, so now we're going to mix it. Mix it. Yeah, this is first time making slime. Wait. I'm just trying to get. And now, okay guys, I found the two things that will make the slime. Pour it in. Moment of truth. And now we start mixing. As you see, you can see the slime. Look at that, guys. Look at that. And I think I might need... Guys, sorry, I needed to put more colouring. And now, look at the slime, boys. This is just like so satisfying. I'm happy I actually managed to make it, but I don't want to knead with my hands. I hate getting things messy, but let's show you again. Oh, wow. Now that I've finished with this, I'm going to put away my fork. I don't know where. I'm going to put it here. And now I'm going to, now, moment of truth. Look at that, boys. Oh, satisfying. Don't know how this is satisfying, but I look it, but it isn't. Don't know why I said that. Now I think I'm gonna need to fill it up, and then I'm going to knead it up with my hands. I'm not too keen on it, but I will do it.